Well, dear student, we shall learn how to represent square root of 9.3 on a number line. To begin with, let us draw a sufficiently long line making use of a scale. I am drawing a sufficiently long line making use of a scale. You can see here. Then call this the beginning point as A. I am marking this point as A. Then from point A, mark a point B at a distance of 9.3 centimeters from A. Now you have to make use of the scale at 9.3 centimeter. So you have to make a marking. Call this point as B. So this is 9.3 centimeter. Now extend or mark a distance 1 centimeter from point B. Here marking a new point 1 centimeter from point B, 1 centimeter. Call this point as C. Now I have to find the midpoint of a line AC. How I can find the midpoint of line AC? I have to bisect the line AC. So take out pair of compass and take the length 3/4 of AC. See here, 3/4 of AC. Now above AC draw an arc, and below AC draw an arc from point A. See, taking the measure more than half of AC, draw an arc above AC and below AC. See, you have to keep this pointed end A. Again change the pointed end of the compass to C and draw an arc above AC and below AC. Now passing through the point of intersection, draw a line using the scale. Call this point as O. So O is the midpoint of AC. Now the purpose of bisecting the line is to get the midpoint. Now take the pair of compass, adjust the radius of the compass to OC. Radius to OC, and draw a semicircle. See, the semicircle is touching the point A as well as C. Okay. Now take out the set square. You know that set square is having a 90-degree radius corner. The purpose why you use the set square to draw a perpendicular line. So slide this set square along the line so that it touches the point B. From the point B, draw a perpendicular line. So this perpendicular line intersects the semicircle at this point. Call this point as D. Now adjust the radius of the compass to BD. Then draw an arc. This arc cuts the line at this point. Call this point as E. Here E represents square root of 9.3. See, the measure of BE is equal to BD. So what is the measure of BD, square root of 9.3. So once again I explained, first you have to draw a sufficiently long line, then mark the beginning point as A, then mark a distance 9.3 centimeter from A, call this point as B, extend this line up to C by 1 centimeter, then bisect AC using a pair of compass. So to get the midpoint, call this midpoint as O, with OC as the radius, draw a semicircle such that the semicircle touch the circle at point A and C. Take the set square, keep the set point corner of the set square at B, draw a perpendicular such that the perpendicular intersects the semicircle at the point, call this point as D. Adjust the radius of the compass to BD, draw an arc. This arc cuts the line at E. The measure of BD is already, it is square root of 9.3. You can know by calculation how you will get 9.3, but calculation is not here required. So the measure of B is equal to BD. So B is equal to square root of 9.3. This is how we can represent the square root of 9.3 on a number line.